Good morning, ma'am.
Easily. However, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today's chapter for revision is chapter number
13.
13.
Fabrics and fibers.
Fibers and fabrics.
Yes, ma'am. Fibers and fibers.
You all have seen your date sheets, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On 5th, you are going to have your 5th March. Your science exam is on 5th March. So hardly
5th March.
now all the time is limited for all the subjects. So kindly just hurry up and spend most of your time in studies. Synthetic fibers and plastics, chapter number 13. Okay, now let us start, children. First question answer of chapter 13. Synthetic fibers and plastics. So first of all, we have how many types of fibers?
Two
Two
types.
types of
Two
types
types.
of
Natural
fibers.
fibers
Natural fiber and synthetic
fibers.
fiber.
And synthetic.
Natural and artificial.
Natural and
fibers.
artificial fibers.
Okay.
Natural and man-made
We
fibers.
are going to study about synthetic fibers. Natural fibers we have already studied in our previous classes, isn't it? 6th class you all had studied
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
about the
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, how can we define synthetic fibers?
Fibers which are
Man-made
made
fibers
Made by
Fibers
chemical
like
process or either they use
fibers like nylon and rayon are made
fibers which are made by using
man-made
chemical
approach.
process or either they use
Fibers are known as
their
synthetic
raw material.
fibers.
What are polymers? Rashmi,
Yes, ma'am. Monomers join a large number to form monomers join a large number to form a long chain of molecules is known as polymers.
What are monomers then? Ananya.
Natural and synthetic fibers are made up of simple molecules that are known as monomers.
Okay. Then what is polymerization, Navya?
The process by which a polymer is made by joining large number of small molecules is called polymerization.
Okay. Then after that, now here in this chapter, we are going to study main basic is that different types of synthetic fibers we are going to study in this, and
Yes,
their
ma'am.
uses. They are more much more important. Clear? So what makes it different from the other fiber? You have to just know those uses. So first of all, first is your rayon or artificial silk. Why is rayon known as artificial silk?
Ma'am, may I?
Because it
Ma'am, may
Because
I?
it has
Because
similar
it
properties to that of
because similar texture to that of
सब
silk.
say together children. सब एक साथ बोलते हो तो clear नहीं होता. Now here, turn goes to Ria.
Yes, ma'am. A fiber having similar properties to that of silk was obtained by chemical treatment of wool pulp. This was called rayon or artificial silk.
Okay. Then after that, why is rayon also known as regenerated fiber?
Why?
Ma'am, may
Why?
I?
Because the basic
May I?
process of
because
making rayon
Bec-
is a
The
is a
really
natural
chemical treatment of a natural
because it
thing
is
which is
obtained
wood
from the
pulp.
Because rayon is made up of raw
wood cellulose, which is a natural.
fiber.
Because its raw material is wood cellulose, which is a natural fiber.
After that, next is what are the uses of rayon?
It is used in making carpet
It can.
and apparels
It
like
is
that.
used
Used in
in
making surgical
jackets,
equipment
Is
such
suitable
as
from
like
wearing for
in
someone because
industry,
its fibers
it
to
is
observe.
certain
It is used from
stuffs and
making
in the
appearance like
airports, it is
dresses,
suitable
jackets,
for wearing in.
suits, etc.
carpets.
Rayon fabrics are smooth, cool, and comfortable. They can be easily dyed in wide range of colors, and they do not absorb sweat. That's why they are suitable to wear in summers.
Absorb sweat.
Then
बोल रहे हैं।
after that, why are nylon known as synthetic fibers? Truly synthetic fiber.
Because it does not
Because
use any
Because
it does not use
natural
any
fiber
natural
as
fiber
its
as its fiber at
Raw
its
material.
raw material. It is first fully synthetic fiber.
Okay. Next, what are the uses of yes uses of nylon?
It is highly
It is used for
elastic,
making
ductile and
household articles
highly
such as
Elastic and
used
to
for
highly
belt
many
flexible
welted
like
flexible
applications
equipment,
like
for
making
military
chopping boxes.
the
applications
suit
like
sector.
hose
It is
washers.
It's a
highly
highly
elastic
durable
fiber
ethnicity
used
used
for
for
ductile and
making
making
silk
suitable
like
clothes
appearance.
and
It
clothes.
used
It
in
cloth,
making
cloth
carpets,
is
fabric,
elastic
cloths.
in nature and has a silk-like
It
appearance.
is
It has
and
highly
it is
used
used
durable
for
for
and
making
carpet
its
common
common
fabrics
household
are
household
used for
articles
making
such
such
as
as
tables and
such as
ropes,
tripod.
roping of
combs,
roofs and
It is
parachutes,
hooks,
used for
etc.
etc. It
making
is used for
common
making
household
roughs and rough.
articles such as toothbrush and
It's
forks.
also used for making placing nets.
Okay. Then after that, next question goes to Pragya.
Yes,
Pragya,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आप बोलिए describe about terylene.
Terylene is a synthetic fiber which is used for making clothes. Like other synthetic fiber which are nylon, terylene is also elastic, highly durable, wrinkle resistant and moth resistant.
Hmm. What are the uses of terylene? Next is Aditya
Uh,
Raj.
May I?
Yes, ma'am. Terylene is used for making raincoats. It is also used for making sails of boat. Uh, it is used for furnishings.
Furnishings
and
में
conveyor belts
confused
used in
confusion
conveyor
नहीं है,
belts.
ठीक है. फर्निशिंग नहीं है इसमें सेल ऑफ बोट है, कन्वेयर बेल्ट से. क्लियर.
मैम फर्निशिंग भी है.
मैम होम फर्निश.
यस मैम फर्निशिंग भी है इसमें.
Yes, ma'am.
फर्निशिंग तो नहीं दिया हुआ है मेरे बुक में.
मैम है
Ma'am,
4th
no
point पे है.
furnishing.
Yes, ma'am. It is used in.
In your book 4 points are mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
4
ma'am.
points में है,
यस
ma'am.
मैम.
अच्छा ठीक है.
4th point में है, ma'am.
ओल्ड बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ. ठीक है. Then what is the full form of Shubh Narayan? Full form of PET.
Ma'am, polyethylene tetraphthalate.
Tetra
Tetraphthalate.
phthalate.
Phthalate.
ये करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Polyethylene tetraphthalate.
Tetraphthalate.
हाँ, एक बार स्पेल करो.
Yes, ma'am. TETRA. Tetra PHT.
Ma'am, polyethylene tetraphthalate.
नहीं, टेट्राफाइथैलेट का ही बोल रहा है. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट goes to Shreya Mitra.
यस मैम.
What are the uses of
Yes,
PET?
ma'am.
What are the
Yes
uses
ma'am.
of
Uses of PET are as follows. It is used for making containers for packaging food and soft drinks. PET bottles are commonly used in industry for selling all kinds of soft drinks and oil and other food articles. Second, it is used for making magnetic tapes and used in audio and video cassette records.
Then after that, next, fifth type of fabric is your acrylic fibers or acrylon. Now children, you all are learning according to the numbers given over here and uses directly. Sometimes the uses will be given and you will have to name the fabric. So just learn in that way also. Clear? आप उस तरह से
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Okay, now here, like I will ask about this fiber in opposite way, like a synthetic fiber which resembles wool, and we wear sweaters and shawl in winter,
Acrylon.
and they are not
Acrylon.
equally-
Acrylon or acrylic fiber.
Acrylic fiber.
Acrylon.
Acrylon or acrylic
Acrylic
fiber.
fiber.
Acrylon.
हाँ,
Acrylon fiber.
acrylon or acrylic fiber. Then sometimes according to the users also it can come, like these are used for making blankets and they are lightweight and they give warmth equal to the woolen blanket, but they are cheap and they are available in variety
Present in wide variety of colors.
so in that opposite way also you just learn. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. It is not showing. Wait a minute. Name क्यों नहीं show? Okay, now next is what are the advantages of synthetic fibers? What are the advantages of
They do not wrinkle.
They have long
They have
lasting
long
lustre.
lasting
They
luster.
Have
do
white
Dry
not
inside.
quickly,
clean.
They
not
have
shrink
less
of washing. They are
moisture
less
than
expensive, less
natural
natural
fibers.
fibers. They have
Fibers.
long lasting
They
lashes. They
have a
have
long lasting luster.
to
They
natural
last
fiber. They
longer as
have easy
compared
to
to
clean.
natural fiber.
Let me put an
They
important
dry
question.
quickly.
Common question of this chapter. What are the advantages of synthetic fibers? बहुत easy है learn करना and it is also of equal
Yes.
importance. Just go through it. Then one more point is there. One more question. What are the disadvantages of synthetic
They
fibers?
have low
They have
melting
very
point.
low
They are
melting point,
non-biodegradable.
unlike
They have
natural
very
fiber
low
that
melting
does not
points, melts to very low
but
temperature. They
therefore
burns
ready to
from a
rent
small
as
sticky brand
compared
to
in
high temperatures.
summer
They
and
are therefore
winter.
not available
Synthetic
to wear.
fibers are not
Synthetics block on the
biodegradable.
workings of the kitchens. Unlike fibers,
And
natural fibers, they do not observe.
Okay. Now next, Anupriya. Anupriya, name one
Yes, ma'am.
first man-made plastic. Now we are coming to plastic. First man-made plastic was invented by whom?
Ma'am,
Who invented
first
first
man-made
man-made
plastic. Ma'am, thermoplastic.
Ma'am,
No,
Kavish.
ma'am. Alexander
It was
Park.
Alexander
Why?
Center
in
part.
Alexander
1862.
Parkin.
Alexander
Alexander
In
Park.
Parkin.
What is
1862.
given in do you know? But
Sorry,
you should know.
Parks.
It is given in do you know? Do you know question generally do
Yes,
not
ma'am.
come.
Yes,
Generally,
ma'am.
I'm telling, don't take it very seriously that it will not come at all. So these names sometimes gets asked in 1 marks question. What is it called? He called plastic as
Parkinson.
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 how many types of plastics we are having?
Two.
Two types of
Thermoplastic.
plastic,
Two types.
thermoplastic,
Thermosetting plastic,
thermosetting plastic.
Two types:
thermoplastic.
thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic.
Thermoplastic and thermosetting
Thermoplastics and
plastic.
thermosetting
In
plastics.
which type of plastic we have cross-linked arrangement of molecules?
Thermosetting
Thermosetting
plastic.
Thermosetting
Plastic.
plastic.
Thermosetting plastic.
Thermosetting plastics.
Thermosetting plastic.
Thermosetting plastic.
Now after that, one by one, those whose name I will tell, they will describe about the characteristics of synthetic plastic. First name is Arushi Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
एक point.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Characteristics of synthetic plastic: lightweight, high tensile strength or resistance to chemicals, non-biodegradable, lustrous and colorful.
सबको नहीं बोल रहा है आपको एक का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन देना only 1 point you have to describe.
Okay, ma'am. First, lightweight. Synthetic plastic materials are very light in weight as compared to natural plastic materials.
Okay. Kavish. Next.
Yes, ma'am. High tensile strength. Synthetic plastics can hold a lot of weight without breaking. For example, a thread of synthetic plastic can withstand more weight as compared to the thread of cotton of the same thickness.
Then next is Mohit. Mohit Kumar. What is your
Yes,
next
ma'am.
point? Next point you tell.
Resistance to chemicals. Resistance to chemicals. Synthetic plastics are not easily affected by strong chemicals such as acids and alkyls.
Next is
Alkyls.
Rajat.
Alkeys.
Alkalis, alkalis. Priyanshu. Next point.
They are non-biodegradable as they do not get decomposed by the actions of bacteria and
Okay.
other natural activities.
Okay. Next is Supriya. 8F Supriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the next
Lustrous
point.
and colorful. These materials can be made more shiny and bright.
They can be made in any desired color or texture. They are therefore often used for making a large variety of household products.
Okay, next. After that, as these synthetic plastics are classified into two types, so they are having a variety of use. First of all, about thermoplastic. Who will describe about thermoplastic?
Ma'am, may I,
Ma'am,
Navya?
Kavish.
Ma'am, may I wear?
Kavish.
Hi, Diya.
Ma'am, may I, Anupriya? Ma'am,
Those
Vashvi?
who are very
Ma'am Aditya
don't
Raj.
never speak at all. Vanshraj, are you there? Just they leave the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshraj, आप बोलिए. Describe about thermoplastics.
Plastic formed by linear arrangement of monomers.
Example. And what is its quality? इसका क्वालिटी क्या है? इसका डिस्क्राइब का मतलब 2-3 पॉइंट उसमें दोगे ना? Just describe
Yes, ma'am.
about. बोलिए.
Plastic which have linear arrangement of monomer are thermoplastic. The plastic can be deformed easily from heating and can be uh,
Remolded.
Reform.
revolved into a new shape.
What are the examples?
Polythene.
What? PVC is very important because PVC pipes all often then we use in our home for our
Yes, ma'am. For
ठीक है? Then
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Shreya.
Yes,
Shreya
ma'am. Yes,
Mitra.
ma'am.
Shreya Mitra, you describe about thermosetting plastics.
Yes, ma'am. Plastics which have a cross-linked arrangement of molecules are called thermosetting plastics. These plastics cannot be deformed on heating and therefore they cannot be remolded again. Examples, bakelite and melamine.
Next, after that, Utkarsh Singh. Utkarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me, how is this plastic causing damage to the environment?
Plastic takes several years to decompose. They are not environmental friendly and cause environmental pollution.
Pollution on what?
Plastic.
Burning.
Plastic, if burned, produce harmful gases which pollute air. Plastic carry bags and other articles clog the city drainage system, causing a lot of inconvenience.
Then after that, next question. Ronit is there? Ronit, are you there, Ronit? Srijan Sharan. Okay, then.
Yes, ma'am.
Srijan is there. Are you ready, Srijan? What measures can we take to control the damage caused by plastic? Srijan, please speak. Okay, Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
What measures can
Plastic carry bags and other articles clog the city drainage system, thereby causing a lot of inconvenience. Plastic takes several years to decompose. They are not environmental friendly and cause environmental pollution. Plastic, if burnt, produce harmful gases which pollute
No,
air.
but you tell me what measures will you take to control it? That are the damage caused by plastic, na? Measures क्या लोगे? How
Ma'am,
did
may
you
I?
stop?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am Kavish.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
may I?
Kavish.
Yes, ma'am. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage should be collected separately and decomposed of separately. We should not throw plastic wrappers carelessly on road. They then generally get carried into the city sewage system, resulting in the clogging of drainage. We should make use of bags of made up of cotton or jute when we go out for shopping.
Okay. Next, Kavish.
Yes, ma'am.
Name one thermosetting plastic which is poor conductor of heat and electricity.
Bakelite.
And one which can resist fire.
Melamine.
Okay, correct. So in this chapter, children, these are the questions which are to be asked. So please go through it. Very easy chapter. और किसी को characteristics बोलना है, characteristics of synthetic plastic. Aditya. Aditya Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
You explain the characteristic of synthetic plastic.
Yes, ma'am. Characteristics of synthetic plastic are they are poor conductor of heat as well as electricity. They are not non-biodegradable. Thus, they cannot be destroyed completely. They are having a high tensile strength. Thus, they can bear a lot of strength without breaking. Plastics are light in weight. Ma'am, हो गया.
And they are lustrous and colorful. Clear? Always have some supporting points in your mind so that you can explain according to the marks given in your question paper. So, children, anything more to be discussed in this chapter? इस चैप्टर में और कुछ आप लोग को डिस्कस करना है? And I request you all to spend much of your time in learning. ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम आप लर्निंग में भी लगाइए क्योंकि you have to answer according to the question pattern which I have discussed in your previous classes. है ना? So unless and until you read the chapter, go through the chapter. Always read the chapter and mark the points. Don't just concentrate and focus on the question answer only, but don't read those question answers also. But एक और आपका है यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न है बुक में. Categorize the materials of the following product into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Like plastic toys can be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Cotton stuffed toys.
Can be recycled.
Can be recycled.
Can
be recycled.
Polythene carry bags.
Cannot be
Cannot
recycled.
be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Ma'am, can be recycled. Electrical wires.
Cannot be recycled.
Can be recycled.
Can be recycled.
Ma'am,
Polythene can be recycled.
Can be recycled.
Ma'am, yes.
Polythene carry bags cannot be recycled.
Ma'am, because they are thermoplastics.
Huh. No, actually.
Yes, ma'am, and it is given.
एक थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स है लेकिन उसमें भी आपका अलग अलग वेराइटी होता है कि इसको we cannot keep it in thermo setting, but वो polyethylene tetrafethylate वाला मटेरियल होता है, ठीक है? तो that cannot be recycled. There is a chemical difference in that. Then after that, plastic bowl.
Cannot be recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
Ballpoint pens
Can
Cannot be
cannot
recycled.
be recycled. Cooker handle. Cooker handle.
Can be recycled.
Can
No. Cooker handle is
cannot
cannot
be
be
recycled.
Cannot be recycled.
वो तो और नहीं होता है, वो तो आपका ये रहता है,
Bakelite,
resistant रहता है ना।
melamine.
हाँ, बेकेलाइट और मेलामाइन या जनरली बेकेलाइट का ही बना रहता है, so it cannot be. So this type of children questions are there from this chapter, so please go through it. So tomorrow we will discuss with the 14th chapter, that is reproduction chapter, chapter 14.
reproduction in animals.
And which chapters are not coming?
Not coming chapters, you all are knowing the chapters which are coming.
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो आप लोग को पता है, तो जो
Ma'am, please, can you please repeat it? Ma'am, please.
Chapter 8, 9,
the
17,
question
18, 19, 20 are not coming in the exam.
हाँ
Ma'am, chapter
Listen
8,
to me.
9.
हाँ
Ma'am,
8,
chapter
9,
8, 9,
हाँ
17, 18, 19, 20. Last 4 chapters.
हाँ हाँ
नहीं,
yes.
17
17 is also not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
So
repeat कर दीजिए
8, 9, 17, 18, 19, 20. Although it is for internal assessment, so you just go through it. वो एक बार read जरूर कर लेना, ठीक है? We cannot
Yes, ma'am.
confirm exactly. Book
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus में दिया रहता है, but sometimes 1 or 2 question comes. तो एक आध question के लिए आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. Book में chapters है ना, तो we cannot confirm here. Reading कर लीजिएगा. हालांकि it will not come in long questions. Long questions इससे नहीं पूछा जाएगा इस chapter. Okay.
yes ma'am
Okay, children. So we will just meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
thank you ma'am
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.